Hi, Jared Carmen, and welcome to 4 Mapleview Court in beautiful Mount Martha. Set in a really quiet court, great destination. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, set on 688 square metres. It's a very different floor plan. I love this place. Come on in. So the tiled entrance you come into that runs all the way down to the main bedroom. Now this is a really cool plan. It's such a huge room. You've got enough room for a couch and a desk, as well as a huge bed. This sort of wraps around to the walk-in robe around the corner, and the ensuite bathroom is set at the front. Such a great thing to have is internal entry to the garage, the double garage. This is a beautiful living room. It's just such a lovely space that you can go out to the side yard from here. This has such a lovely feel just to sit, converse, relax. Then you have another bedroom. This is fantastic as well. This could be a home office if you like, or a beautiful bedroom. Built-in robes, very large proportions. And then you come through to the kitchen. So plenty of storage, lots of storage. Kitchen through here, so much space. You've got ample space to chuck a big party. Dishwasher, the usual mod cons. You've got stainless steel appliances all the way through. You've got an informal dining area, which looks out to the garden. And you feel like you're part of the action. You've got all of it here in front of you. The ducted heating, evaporative cooling, and a gas log fire. Fantastic living area. You can be in the kitchen while everyone's kicking it in the lounge, but it also spills to outside. Now down a hallway at the other end of the home, from the main bedroom, you have 2 other bedrooms, really good proportions. They're a great size, lots more storage, separate wash closet, and a bathroom that is really neutral, good space and lots of light coming through. And this bedroom is great, looks out to the backyard. There's heaps of light spilling through here. How good's this entertaining area? You've got a lot of undercover space, plenty of room for couches, outdoor settings. You can sit out here, kick it with the family, play pool out here. You can do what you like. There's room for dartboards and all sorts of stuff. This is so well laid out. This is such a cool family home. Set up ready for you. If you'd like to book an inspection, please give me a call anytime. I'm going to just hang around here and play tennis.